Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for joining me and my furry sidekicks for today's video. I'm Laura, this is Dana, Wyatt's here too. He is busy on bug patrol as always outside. For today, I have a public goods haul for you. Super excited about this box to share with you today. Public Goods reached out to me and asked me if I would be willing to share with you some of their products and talk about their membership. And after checking out their site and reading about their company, I was really impressed and I am super excited to talk to you about them today. Public Goods is all about bringing you healthy and sustainable products that are good for people and good for the planet. And they make it really easy. They offer a membership that is $79 a year, and then they make all of their products affordable and sustainable and ready to be able to bring you those items that you need on an everyday basis and ship them right to your home. And you can shop them anytime that you want. And I'm talking products that are everything from food, cleaning products, bath and body, anything that you need are right there accessible for you to be able to have sent right to your door. Some of the things that really stood out about this company that I wanted to share with you is, number one, all products are certified organic. There are many options that are vegan friendly, gluten-free, and tree-free. Their bottles are made from sugarcane. How awesome is that? On top of that, in order to offset carbon, they plant a tree for after every order. So this is to combat climate control. Also, all of my Canadian friends are going to love this. They do ship to Canada. As long as you spend at least $100, shipping is free. Also, they'll ship to Alaska, Hawaii, and Puerto Rico, and the U.S. Virgin Islands. There is discounted shipping for those states as well. All right, I love that because I know sometimes there has been some shipping issues for some of my subscription boxes, but Public Goods does ship to those states as well and also to Canada. For the U.S., it is free shipping as long as you spend at least $45. All right. I do have a discount code for you, so if you use my code, you will get a free membership for 2 weeks. So it's a trial membership that will last for 2 weeks, so you get a chance to check out their site, try some of their products, and you also get 15% off your first order. That discount is littleboxofhappy, and I'll share all that at the end as well, and I'll put it down below. What else? So this is all about everyday essentials. I will tell you a couple of the companies that they partner with, just so that you can check those out as well and understand how sustainable and ethically sourced their products are and how the company thinks, as well as their practices. So they partner with Eden Restoration Projects to support their combined mission of reducing extreme poverty and restoring healthy forests. So to date, they've sponsored over 200,000 trees and counting. So Eden employs members of the local community where these trees are planted and combating the cycle of poverty and deforestation at the same time. So that helps with their carbon offsetting. And this, they offset the shipping in partnership with UPS and external investors. They are currently offsetting 100% of their shipping. I love it, right? And they also do recycling and repurposing of bottles. So they partner with the Clean World and Zeus Recycling Program to set up recycling stations at several Zeus locations across the U.S. They either recycle or our bottles or repurpose partially used personal care to create hygiene kits for homeless and veteran communities. So far, they've recycled 332 pounds of plastic and repurposed our personal care products to create 664 hygiene kits. There is more. They're fighting food insecurity by Feeding America. They've donated excess inventory to St. Mary's Food Bank. I could go on. There's so many things that they are taking action against. You can read about it yourself. I'll put the information down below, but I just wanted to share some examples. Let's get right into my box. I did pick a variety of items to share with you. They did let me pick my items. And I chose several different items so that you could see the variety of products that they have on their site that you can that you can purchase. Everything from food to, like I said, cleaning products, all the everyday products that you need. Right inside the flap, I like how it says it's all good. All right. Everything is packaged all nice and tight in here. First up, check this out. Check out the packaging. So first up, we have, and these are cleaning products. I love this packaging. Yep, so first up, and you can see this packaging is not fancy. This is glass cleaner by Public Goods. This is 24 full ounces. Let me get the pricing for you so you know how much this was, because this is a very large bottle. And the glass cleaner was $5.75 for this. That's a lot, right? This was made in the USA, and it is paraben-free, vegan-friendly, sulfate-free, gluten-free, gray water-friendly, cruelty-free. We always need glass cleaner in my home. Always, for some reason. The next one I have here is going to be bathroom cleaner, I believe. We need that too. Yep, this is bathroom cleaner, also 24 ounces, also $5.75. That's a lot of cleaning we can do for $5.75. Same thing, paraben-free, vegan-friendly, gray water-friendly, gluten-free, natural fragrance, cruelty-free, also made in the USA. Okay. Next, I have shells and cheddar cheese. My family, we love mac and cheese. This box is $5.25 for 12 ounces. This is real cheese, organic, non-GMO, all healthy ingredients, nothing to hide. This is wheat. It contains wheat and milk. This product has been packaged on machinery that has been used to package tree nuts, peanuts, and soy, so it's telling you that, which it did tell me that when I purchased it, I knew right away. And this has 5 servings per container. Made in the USA. Let's see what else I got. Let's see what's happening. Next, I have a candle. This is a 3.5 ounce lavender vanilla candle, $5.95. Oh, smells fantastic. Heavenly. I like these. Sometimes you just open them and set them by your desk. You can smell them all day. You don't even have to light them. It smells amazing. Lavender and vanilla. This one says that there are no dyes, paraben free, no phthalates, and it is lead free. So again, healthy ingredients, says with nothing to hide, and this was also made in the US. All right, I think I have one more item to share with you. These are Lavender Sanitizing Wipes. These are, it says eco-friendly, cruelty-free, sulfate-free, paraben-free, triclosan-free. And these were also made in the US. These are 3.5 ounces as well. These were $5.95. And these are a 30 count. All right, so this was just a variety. So I want to show, these are perfect for in the car, in your purse, when you need to run. You can't have enough sanitizing wipes right now. I love this packaging. Love that you can get all kinds of food. They have tons of food choices on their site for you to check. Tons of different cleaning products, you know. Don't want to hurt you, babe. Tons of different cleaning products on their site for you to check out. And of course, there were many different candles as well, lots of different scents to check out. So all of this stuff I just shared with you was under $26, $25.70 total. If you do spend $45, then you get free shipping, so keep that in mind. These items were sent to me, so I did not pay shipping, but I just wanted to show you how much I got for under $26. Not bad, right? All right, I will put all of this information down below because I do think that this is an amazing service with lots of products that are perfect for every day. You can set up to do once a month. Make sure you get all the items that you need for the month, but also if you plan regularly, anytime you know you're going to have a $45 order, you can get so many items for that price. Hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Would love to know what you thought. What would be the items that you would be looking for? I'll put all the information for public goods down below, as well as my discount code, so you can get 15% off your first order in case you want to give this a trial run and see what you think. There would be a 2-week trial for you to check it out if you use my link down below. If you do give public goods a try, do share with me though. Tell me what you think down below and let me know what you purchased so I can give it a check out as well. Please hit that like before you go. Please hang out and hit that subscribe so I can continue to bring you videos just like this one. And until next time, bye everybody.